Thanks for watching Ravi's Eye View. I sincerely appreciate your time. Today, I'm going to talk about, I will not even call this as a movie review. I'm going to talk about two movies which got released almost at the same time. One happens to be Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's Hindi movie called Tufan, and other movie is Sarpeta Parambarai, which is directed by Pa Ranjit in Tamil. Now, the common connect between these two movies, if you're going to ask me a question, I will say boxing as a sport. That's where the comparison or the similarity begins and ends. In one end, I am really surprised. The kind of movies what Rakesh has given in the past, be it Rang De Basanti or Baag Mika Baag and the likes, and Tufan. On the other end, Pa Vijay even directed a movie with Rajinikanth. Each one of his movie is being super hit in spite of there's a very strong cast which he did with Rajinikanth. Now let me take Tufan. Now very interesting storyline. When I say very interesting, please mark with underline, a very sarcastic. Mention that it's an interesting storyline. I really don't want to break the surprise for you if at all you intend to watch the movie where Farhan Akhtar is doing the lead and people talk about at this age, I think he's about 47 years old plus, the kind of a transformation what he underwent, building up a body to look like a boxer. Yes, I'm using the word very carefully. He actually wanted to look like a boxer and it turned out to be nothing less than a cartoon. Well, I'm so sorry. He put in a lot of hard work. But unfortunately, it didn't appeal to any of us. At least for me. It's a very interesting storyline, again sarcastic I am, that an MBBS doctor falls in love with a local thug who comes for a treatment after a street fight, and the doctor asks him to get out and just go away and don't show up. And within 5 minutes, you realize that she's drinking, mixing alcohol in a cola bottle and sharing it with him, and does a lip locking and tells him that she loves him. You can't believe this, right? Precisely that has happened in the movie. On the other hand, Sarpeta Parambarai is set in mid-70s and real portrayal of the club culture, what North Madras used to enjoy those days. It was during Indira Gandhi's regime, DMK Karnataka was ruling Tamil Nadu, there was emergency declared, and all those connects were well researched. There are a lot of historical evidences that the club used to actually be present in North Chennai, or what you call North Madras. And these clubs used to practice boxing as a sport. Yeah, it's a surprise to me as well. But Tufan is about a guy who is from Dongri, a street thug, who's nothing but a gunda, what you call in Hindi. Happens to meet an MBBS doctor. He gets motivated by a Parsi semi-coach, and that Parsi semi-coach takes him to a boxing coach who happens to be a Hindu. Every second word comes out of his mouth is Jai Hanuman, and he believes that Dongri guys are nothing but from Dubai. He's a Muslim basher. Why on earth? Rakesh, what's wrong with you? What did you expect forecasting Paresh Rawal as a Muslim basher in this movie? That you'll get a box office collection? And some of those pitiable dialogues that a couple which is searching for a house to stay and societies are refusing, Muslims can't stay here, only Hindus can stay here. What nonsense. You created a movie of a thug who wants to become a boxer. He goes around to win state level boxing, he goes to play a national level boxing, and then comes a typical Hindi cinematic theme that he purposefully loses a bout and he accepts a bribe. Why? In the name of love. Oh yeah, it's in the name of love. And he's caught. Boxing federations bans him. Then the love of his life, he learns that happens to be the daughter of his own Hindu coach. Hindu coach abandons him. Yeah, you guessed it. The girl leaves the house. The dad doesn't want her to fall in love with a Muslim boy. Oh, I forgot to mention. She lost her mother in a bomb blast, which the father believes was done by Muslims. Oh my God, quite a complicated storyline. But you really got to watch it. They claim it's a boxing story. It's actually nothing to do with boxing. Not a single trait in the movie. Not a single ring fight in the movie. Not a single bout in the movie will tell you anything about boxing technique. Oh, Farhan Akhtar, I believe when people said that you can act, in this movie, your face did not even show a single emotion. Forget about acting. Shankar Mahadevan, it's so hard for me to believe that you did the BGM and music for this movie. Yeah, I'm sorry. I have to say this. On the contrary, Sarpeta Parambare is a brilliantly stitched movie about boxing and the culture what it used to prevail in India, that in the south part of India, the most conservative Chennai and not Chennai. Every character in the movie, be it the mother, be it the lady whom he marries not out of ordinary love or something, it's an arranged marriage, be it the coach, be it those who challenges the hero that they can fight with him, and the hero challenges back saying that he will fight with them and in couple of bouts he will win the game. Every technique in the movie is discussed, deliberated, shown with utmost amount of authenticity. Those of us who enjoy understanding Hindi as well as Tamil, they can differentiate the stark contrast between both the movies. Those of you who cannot understand Tamil, thanks to OTT platform Prime, the movie has got subtitles in English, visual treat, a complete detailing of boxing. You really got to watch the lead Arya, who's transforming himself to become a boxer, and how he goes to win the final and claims that he is the real disciple of his coach Rangan. A feast to watch. I think in the name of sport, what Rakesh has created is an absolute joke without respecting any sort of a religious sentiments, be it of Hindus or that of Muslims. I don't think any sports coach will be talking or preaching religion so harshly. Unfortunate Rakesh. I'm personally a big fan of yours. This movie, I really wonder how come IMDb landed up giving you even 4 as a score. If I would have asked someone to rate your movie, I would have probably given a -5. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Ravi's Eye View. If you are a sports into, if you even have an iota of interest in boxing, please watch Sarpeta Parambara. If you don't understand Tamil, it does not matter. Watch it with the subtitles. If you haven't still watched Tufan, you not miss anything in life. But you can still watch Tufan just to compare how a movie can be made. And there's a lot for our yesteryear's movie directors to learn from new directors like Pa Ranjit. Paranjit. He has created a far more better portrayal of boxing as a sport in the screen. Thank you so much for watching Ravi's Eye View. Thank you.